This is the main lifts, the main 4 lifts at Lister Hospital in Stevenage. These 4 lifts used to be Old Otis with touch sense buttons. These got replaced by Jackson Lift Group. Go down to 2. Door close button does work like that. Capacity 16 persons, 1,200 kilos, built in 2010. No, refurbished in 2010. I don't know when they were built, and we went all the way to 2. And it's got the emergency telephone. Go back up to G. Going to G now. Oh, door close button does work. I like that.